Which country has the best inspiring homes? Welcome to Home FAQs, your go-to YouTube channel for all things home-related. Unlock a world of inspiration with expert insights on home decor, design ideas, construction, and interior design tips. Our mission is to guide you through the fascinating world of homes, helping you transform your living spaces into personalized havens of comfort and style. From the latest trends to timeless classics, Home FAQs is here to be your ultimate companion in your home improvement journey. Scandinavian elegance, a symphony of simplicity and functionality. Our first destination on this global odyssey takes us to Scandinavia, where homes are celebrated for their seamless blend of simplicity and functionality. Join us as we explore the Nordic approach to minimalism, uncovering the secrets behind clean lines, neutral color palettes, and the use of natural materials that create spaces exuding tranquility and modern elegance. 2-inch Japanese Zen homes, tradition and modernity in perfect harmony. From Scandinavia, we jet off to Japan, a country where tradition and modernity coalesce to create homes that embody Zen living. Discover the unique elements such as sliding doors, tatami mats, and Zen gardens that contribute to a serene atmosphere deeply connected to nature. Gain insights into Japanese minimalism and learn how to infuse your own space with the tranquility inspired by this distinctive architectural style. Moroccan majesty. Exploring the exotic world of North African homes, our journey then takes a vibrant turn as we land in Marrakesh, Morocco, where homes boast a rich tapestry of colors, patterns, and textures. Dive into the world of Moroccan architecture and design, exploring the intricate tiles, ornate rugs, and vibrant textiles that define these exotic homes. Uncover the secrets of incorporating a touch of Moroccan flair into your own living space. 4. French country romance, timeless elegance and classic details. Crossing into the heart of Europe, we explore the timeless charm of French country homes. From rustic farmhouses to elegant chateaux, French homes are synonymous with romantic aesthetics and classic details. Join us as we unravel the secrets of French country style, providing practical tips on creating a warm and inviting atmosphere reminiscent of the picturesque French countryside. 5. American tapestry. Diverse architectural styles across the United States. Our journey across continents lands us in the United States, a country renowned for its diverse architectural styles. From the sleek, modern homes of California to the historic brownstones of New York City, American homes showcase a remarkable range of designs. Join us as we highlight iconic and innovative homes, showcasing how regional influences shape the eclectic mix found throughout the United States. As our global tour of inspiring homes draws to a close, it's evident that each country contributes its unique flair to the world of architecture and design. Whether drawn to the simplicity of Scandinavian design, the serenity of Japanese minimalism, the exoticism of Moroccan decor, the romance of French country style, or the eclectic mix found in the United States, the possibilities for transforming your space are truly endless. Subscribe for transformative insights. At Home FAQs, our commitment is to provide you with the knowledge and insights you need to embark on your own home improvement journey. Subscribe to our channel for free consultations, DIY hacks, and stay ahead with the latest trends in home improvement and building. Transformative tips. Subscribe for free consultations and DIY hacks. Your dream home journey begins here. Hit like, subscribe, and transform your space. Discover AI-driven content and expert advice from our AI-generated avatar, ensuring you have the cutting-edge information you need to make informed decisions about your home. Thank you for joining us on this global adventure through inspiring homes. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember, the possibilities for transforming your space are boundless.